In this lecture, we will learn to calculate IRR in Excel. So when you are calculating IRR in Excel, first step is that you draw the timeline. So for example, the number of years. So starting with year 0, which is today, and then projecting all the future years for which you are expecting cash flows. So let's say I'm expecting cash flows for 5 years in future. So we have drawn the timeline for 5 years starting from today, which is year 0. The next step is that you forecast the cash flows. So let's say that the cash flows is an initial cash outflow or investment of minus $100, followed by $25 in first year, then let's say $30 in second year, $35 of inflow in third year, $40 inflow in fourth year, and $45 inflow in fifth year. So these all are your cash flows for today and future. So with an outflow today and inflows in future. Now the last step is calculating IRR. In order to calculate IRR, the formula in Excel which you should use is equals to IRR, bracket open. So you do equals to IRR, bracket open, and then you select all these values of cash flows including the outflow made today, then bracket close, and then you press enter. Once you press enter, you will get your IRR, which in this case comes out to be 19.7%. So this is how you calculate IRR in Excel. Hope this lecture was useful. Best of luck for your calculations.